welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, hello and welcome. I am back with another makeup look for you guys. Actually, two looks using one palette some time back ago. I don't remember exactly when, but I asked you guys over on Instagram, vote for which one you would like for me to use out of these I Heart Revloution palettes. The one that won was this one, the Turkish Delight palette. I already did two looks using this palette, so if you want to see that, I'll link it down below. And so then there are these two palettes left, the Avocado palette and the Popcorn palette. Which one came in second place? Avocado! So we are going to be working with this palette today, creating two looks. Again, I don't plan these out, so I want to take a look at this palette. It's been a while that I've taken a peek in here, so I know it's a lot of green. Yeah, definitely a lot of green. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Look at all those colors. I have a lot of shimmers in here that I can work with, which I am always excited about. It is a lot of green. I don't want to do both green looks. I want to see like how versatile I can make this palette. So I just need to like stir it. I am really attracted to this mousse color. It's a very pretty brownish. Can never go wrong with brown. I love my browns. And then these ones like Bite and Smash. I don't know, those are calling my names. They're more like bluish. I don't know. I'm going to have lots of fun. If you guys are interested in seeing the two looks I create with this palette, then please keep on watching. Base is already done. As usual, I'll go ahead and link down all my products that I used down in the description. I want to go in very lightly with this shade here, Toast. It looks like it would be a good transition shade for my crease. So I tapped it off. I don't want it to be too dark. Okay, that looks good. I just want like a brownish shade here in my crease because I am going to be working with the greens for this first look. I know I said I don't want both looks green, but the first one I'll go ahead and work with the greens because it's avocado. You can't do avocado palette without green. So I'm not being all too neat about this. I'm just placing it messily here on my crease, as you can see. I'm grabbing a Packer shader brush and I'm going to pick up this shade Pear. And I'm going to do this to the inner part of my eyelid. Oh, yes. I like that. Yes, yes, yes. Let me just clean that off. I want to play with this shade right here, Guacamole. Guacamole. This is a matte green. I want to place this to the other part of my eyelid. Let's see how this shows up. Okay, yeah. Ooh, this is giving me a really pretty, I don't know, like CLG kind of vibe. I don't know why. I like it. I'm taking a small detail brush like this, and I want a little bit of dimension in here and also to blend this right here. Let's go in with this darker green shade here, Avo. Avo, that's so cute. And oops. I always forget to tap off and then that happens. Wipe away, just wipe away. Wipe away, go away, go away. So these greens are, at least these two, the, what was it, Guacamole and Avo shade, they are very powdery. Make sure you are tapping it off because I am getting fallout with those shades. I mean, they're gorgeous, but more fallout than what I'm used to. With the Guacamole shade right here with my finger, and then I went in back with this brush to place that first shade. What is it? Pear. So I just had to go back and forth a little bit with these three colors to accomplish until I was satisfied with how it looked. And then next for inner corner, I do want to use this shade right here, Lime. It looks really super pretty on the palette. I don't know if it's going to come out as bright though on my right here. I just want to go ahead and test it out to see how it comes out just by itself. I think if you put a white base first, it might help, but let's see. Because I want my inner corner to be like that bright lime color. Is it coming out kind of bright? Yeah, I'm not mad at it. I think it would work a lot better, like I just mentioned. Placing white first, like a white eyeliner, so that shade it could pop. It could look a little bit more neon, if that is the look that you're going for, which, you know, both are really pretty. If you want a little bit more subtle, or if you want it to pop, I think it could work both ways. I actually want to drag the guacamole shade to my lower lash line. You know, this green guacamole, it's like a teal. It's coming out like tealish on my eye. Yeah, this is totally giving me like a wild jungle or like a tropical type of vibe, and I love it. Who wouldn't want a tropical vacation right now? I do. Let me add a little bit more line right here and then connect it to the lower part, and then go ahead and diffuse it with a clean brush. Let me go ahead and finish off the eye. I went ahead and added my wing and mascara to this eye look, and here it is, look number 1. For look number 2, I'm going to begin with this shade right here, Mousse. And this is the brown that really caught my eye in this palette when I first opened it up. It's just very pretty. I'm going to apply this to all of my lid. Once I have it placed on my eyelid like this, I just want to take whatever's extra on the brush and then start to bring it up into my crease. And then once I have it to like that point, I'm going to go ahead and take off the excess in that brush. You can use a clean fluffy brush for this next step too, but I don't know, I just have it, I guess. But yeah, now I want to go in and just diffuse it even more. I want it to go like a nice gradient from dark here on the lid to less and less. And then with the fluffy brush, I'm going in with creamy, very, very lightly. And with the light hand, begin here with the brow bone. And then just back and forth, back and forth. It's gonna help with that smoky look up here on the top. Once I have it to about there, I'm going to go ahead and work on my lower lash line. I realized this eye is going to be like super simple but still very pretty. I'm taking a smudger brush and I'm going to pick up the shade Haas Avocado Haas, I don't know. It's a very deep green shade on the palette. Is it going to come out that way on my eye? I don't know, but let's see. It might come out just like a black. Oh no, I can see it. It looks almost like emerald-y. And I am going to take this up. And again, I'm going to take a clean brush to diffuse that. We don't want any harsh lines. That's really pretty. Oh, wow. Oh, I love that color. And then for inner corner, I am in between these two blues. I don't know if I want to use a Bite or if I want to use Smash for my inner corner highlight. Let's just do Smash. Let's just, yeah. Ooh, I'm so excited for this. Inner corner, let's do this. Ooh hoo hoo. Ooh hoo hoo, bring me to life. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna drag this a little bit down here to the lower lash line. And same thing to this eye. And there it is. I went ahead and I added also a wing to this eye, my mascara, and I also tight lined my lower waterline. Since this look is a lot darker and more dramatic, I felt like it was needed. I think also falsies with this look would look absolutely amazing. But there you go, look number 2. guys 2 looks using the I Heart Revloution Avocado palette. I really like how you can't even tell that I did these 2 different looks using just this palette, because you think, obviously, yes, the greens are beautiful, and you know what I'm just realizing? This look number 1, is very, very similar to look number 1 that I did with the Turkish Delight palette. I don't know how that came out to be. I totally forgot what I did for that look, and then right now I was looking at the pictures. Very, very similar. I don't know. I guess that's just my style. What can you do? But just as always, let me know down in the comments which of the 2 did you like the best. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you're not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!